Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to this introductory tutorial on Amazon RDS. In this tutorial you will learn what is Amazon RDS and its benefits. For hands-on learning and tutorials, you can visit the link in the description. Amazon RDS is a relational database service used for operating and scaling a relational database in the cloud. Moreover, it is considered to be cost-efficient, and provides resizable capacity during automating time-consuming administration tasks. Amazon RDS helps you to focus on your applications, to get fast performance, high availability, security, and compatibility. Amazon RDS is a fully managed relational database service that comes with database engines. It operates routine database tasks like provisioning, patching, backup, recovery, failure detection, and repair. Moreover, it makes it easy to use replication for enhancing availability and reliability for production workloads. Amazon RDS features. 1. Lower administrative burden. You can use the AWS Management Console and the Amazon RDS command line interface for accessing the capabilities of a production-ready relational database in minutes. Amazon RDS ensures that the relational database software powering your deployment stays up to date with the latest patches. Amazon RDS provides best practice by analyzing configuration and usage metrics from your database instances. 2. Performance. Amazon RDS General Purpose Storage is an SSD-backed storage option for delivering a consistent baseline of 3 IOPS per provision GB. Moreover, it provides the ability to burst up to 3000 IOPS above the baseline. Amazon RDS provisioned IOPS storage refers to an SSD-backed storage option for delivering fast, predictable, and consistent I/O performance. When creating a database instance, you specify an IOPS rate. 3. Availability and durability. Amazon RDS has an automated backup feature for enabling point-in-time recovery for your database instance. Moreover, it will back up your database and transaction logs and store both for a user-specified retention period. Database snapshots are user-initiated backups of your instance that are stored in Amazon S3. Moreover, you can create a new instance from database snapshots whenever you desire. For database instances, Amazon RDS multi-IaaS deployments provide high availability and durability. This makes them a natural fit for production database workloads. However, when you provision a multi-IaaS database instance, then Amazon RDS synchronously replicates your data for a standby instance for a different availability zone, IaaS. 4. Security. Amazon RDS allows the encryption of databases using keys you manage using AWS Key Management Service. However, data stored at rest in the underlying storage is encrypted on a database running with Amazon RDS encryption. This also includes automated backups, read replicas, and snapshots. Further, Amazon RDS has the support of transparent data encryption in SQL Server and Oracle, in which transparent data encryption in Oracle is integrated with AWS Cloud HSM for securely generating, storing, and managing your cryptographic keys in a single-tenant hardware security module. AWS recommends running your database instances in Amazon VPC. This will help in isolating your database in your own virtual network, and connecting to your on-premises IT infrastructure, using encrypted IPsec and VPNs. Amazon RDS is integrated with AWS Identity and Access Management. This has the ability to control the actions that your AWS IAM users and groups can take on specific Amazon RDS resources. 5. Manageability. Amazon RDS provides Amazon CloudWatch metrics for your database instances at no additional charge. Moreover, you can use the RDS Management Console for viewing key operational metrics, including compute/memory/storage capacity utilization, I/O activity, and instance connections. Amazon RDS can notify you via email or text message of database events using Amazon SNS. Moreover, you can use the AWS Management Console or the Amazon RDS APIs for subscribing to over 40 different database events associated with your database instances. Amazon RDS integrates with AWS Config for supporting compliance and enhanced security by recording and auditing changes to the configuration of your DB instance, including parameter groups, subnet groups, snapshots, security groups, and event subscriptions. 6. Cost effectiveness. There is no upfront commitment with Amazon RDS, you simply pay a monthly charge for each database instance that you launch. And, you can delete it after finishing with a database instance. Amazon RDS reserved instances give you the option for reserving a DB instance for a 1 or 3 year term and in turn receive a significant discount compared to the on-demand instance pricing for the DB instance. Amazon RDS allows you to easily stop and start your database instances for up to 7 days at a time. This makes it easy and affordable to use databases for development and test purposes. Amazon RDS Database Engines. 1. Amazon Aurora. Amazon Aurora is a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database for the cloud. It mixes the performance and availability of traditional enterprise databases with the simplicity and cost-effectiveness of open-source databases. Amazon Aurora is faster than standard MySQL databases and PostgreSQL databases, and provides the security, availability, and reliability of commercial databases at 1/10 the cost. Amazon Aurora provides the following benefits. 1. It provides high performance and scalability. 2. Amazon Aurora offers high availability and durability. 3. For database, Amazon Aurora provides multiple levels of security. 4. It has compatibility with existing MySQL and PostgreSQL open-source databases. 5. Amazon Relational Database Service manages Amazon Aurora. 6. It provides migration support. Moreover, MySQL and PostgreSQL compatibility make Amazon Aurora a compelling target for database migration to the cloud. 2. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL has become the most used open-source relational database for many enterprise developers and startups for leading business and mobile applications. It makes it easy for setting up, operating, and scaling PostgreSQL deployments in the cloud. With Amazon RDS, you can deploy scalable PostgreSQL deployments in minutes with cost-efficient and resizable hardware capacity. It gives you access to the capabilities of the familiar PostgreSQL database engine, in which you can use the code, applications, and tools you already use. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL provides the following benefits. 1. PostgreSQL provides managed deployments. 2. For the PostgreSQL database, Amazon RDS provides 2 SSD-backed storage options. 3. Amazon RDS has an automated backup feature that enables recovery of your PostgreSQL database instance to any point in time within your specified retention period of up to 35 days. 4. Amazon RDS multi-IaaS deployments provide enhanced availability and durability for your PostgreSQL databases. 5. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL provides Amazon CloudWatch metrics for your database instances at no additional charge. 3. Amazon RDS for MySQL. MySQL is a popular open-source relational database. Using Amazon RDS for MySQL makes it easy for setting up, operate, and scale MySQL deployments in the cloud. You can deploy scalable MySQL servers in minutes using Amazon RDS features. Amazon RDS for MySQL frees you up to focus on application development by managing time-consuming database administration tasks including backups, software patching, monitoring, scaling, and replication. Amazon RDS for MySQL provides the following benefits. 1. Easy and managed deployments. 2. Fast storage options. 3. Automated backup feature enables recovery. 4. High availability and durability. 5. Amazon RDS provides Amazon CloudWatch metrics for your database instances at no additional charge. 6. Isolation and security. 4. Amazon RDS for MariaDB. MariaDB refers to a popular open-source relational database developed by the original developers of MySQL. However, Amazon RDS makes it easy for setting up, operating, and scaling MariaDB server deployments in the cloud. You can deploy scalable MariaDB cloud databases fastly using Amazon RDS and its features. Amazon RDS for MariaDB provides the following benefits. 1. Amazon RDS for MariaDB makes it easy to manage the database by automating complex tasks involved in setting up and maintaining the database. 2. It makes it easy to use replication for enhancing availability and reliability for production workloads. 3. By using Amazon RDS for MariaDB, you pay only for the resources you provision. 5. Amazon RDS for Oracle. Amazon RDS for Oracle refers to a fully managed commercial database that makes it easy for setting up, operating, and scaling Oracle deployments in the cloud. Amazon RDS frees you up to focus on innovation and application development by managing time-consuming database administration tasks including provisioning, backups, software patching, monitoring, and hardware scaling. You can run Amazon RDS for Oracle under 2 different licensing models, license included, and bring your own license. You can take advantage of hourly pricing with no upfront fees or long-term commitments. Amazon RDS for Oracle provides the following benefits. 1. Amazon RDS for Oracle is handled by Amazon Relational Database Service, RDS. 2. Easy-to-use replication for enhancing availability and reliability for production workloads. 3. Amazon RDS for Oracle offers managed service solution benefits. You can use the lift and shift approach for migrating your legacy Oracle database to Amazon RDS for Oracle. It provides a multi-IaaS deployment option, in which you can run mission-critical workloads with high availability, and built-in automated failover from your primary database, to a synchronously replicated secondary database in case of a failure. 6. Amazon RDS for SQL Server. SQL Server is a relational database management system developed by Microsoft. Amazon RDS for SQL Server makes it easy for operating and scaling SQL Server deployments in the cloud. You can deploy multiple editions of SQL Server including Express, Web, Standard, and Enterprise. You can take advantage of hourly pricing with no upfront fees or long-term commitments. In addition, you also have the option for purchasing reserved DB instances under 1 or 3-year reservation terms. Amazon RDS for SQL Server provides the following benefits. 1. SQL Server is a relational database management system developed by Microsoft. Amazon RDS for SQL Server makes it easy for operating and scaling SQL Server deployments in the cloud. 2. You can deploy multiple editions of SQL Server including Express, Web, Standard, and Enterprise. 3. You can take advantage of hourly pricing with no upfront fees or long-term commitments. In addition, you also have the option for purchasing reserved DB instances under 1 or 3-year reservation terms. 4. Amazon RDS for SQL Server DB instances can be provisioned with either standard storage or provisioned IOPS storage. Amazon RDS Provisioned IOPS is a storage option designed to deliver fast, predictable, and consistent I/O performance, and is optimized for I/O-intensive, transactional database workloads. For instructions on creating an Amazon RDS database instance, visit the link in the description. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.